Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT-A. My name is Gourab Singha and today we are going to solve the 17th problem of Div.2 from a to J expression. In this problem you are given three integers a, b and c and you have a task, that is to insert signs of operations, addition and multiplication and probably brackets between the numbers so that the value of the resulting expression is as large as possible. The best possible way of solving this problem is to try out all the combinations possible and find the maximum answer. Since we have to work with only two operations, the number of combinations will not be that high. In input we have to take three integers. And then we have to find the maximum value of all the possible combinations and store it in our result. So let's create a result variable for that. Now what are the combinations? First combination is plus and plus. It is also given in the problem that we can use brackets here. So don't forget to put the brackets. Now for the case of plus and plus, the brackets don't really matter. But for these cases, it will matter. Take an example, let's say 3, 4 and 5. From these operations, the answer will be 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5, that is 35. And for these operations, the multiplication will be performed first and then the addition will take place. So the answer will be 20 plus 3, that is 23. As you can see, these two answers are not equal. So the brackets do make a difference. The fourth case is multiplication, then addition. The fifth case is multiplication, then bracket addition, and finally multiplication and multiplication. Now we just have to implement this. And finally we have to print our result. Let's now submit this. Okay, so this is accepted. That is it for the solution. Thank you.